We're cooking low and slow today with one of the most treasured appliances out there, the slow cooker. It's personally one of my favorite go-to kitchen accessories, and today we're using it to make one of my favorite recipes, a slow cooker balsamic pot roast. The balsamic glaze smothers the meat on low for hours, and the end result is flavorful, tender, fall-apart beef. It's definitely worth the wait. The ingredients you need are garlic cloves minced, balsamic vinegar, beef stock, honey, orange zest, salt, black pepper, red potatoes quartered, medium carrots chopped, fresh or frozen pearl onions, and chopped fresh chives, sage, or thyme for garnish. You also need about 3 pounds of KC Pride boneless beef chuck roast. The best part, it's usually on sale, so check the Price Chopper app or the ad for this week's specials and score some major points while you shop. So to get started, chop the potatoes and carrots. Set those aside and let's make the sauce. In a bowl, whisk the garlic, vinegar, beef stock, honey, and the orange zest together. Next, season the roast by rubbing it with salt and pepper. Now all that's left is to pile everything into the slow cooker. First, add the potatoes, carrots, and onion, and then place the roast on top of the vegetables. The last step is to pour that garlic mixture all over the roast, and we are ready to cover and cook on high for 5 hours or low for 10 hours. You know when it's ready, when the beef is very tender and it falls apart. If you could smell what I smell in here, it is amazing. To serve, slice the beef and garnish with the herbs. Today, I'm using chive and sage. Again, it's optional, but a little sprinkle of herbs never hurt anyone. In fact, it'll enhance the flavor. Pair with a nice side salad to complete this meal, and you have just made a hearty, juicy pot roast with little effort. Enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.